Welcome to Smart Inventory Manager. Today I'll show you how to manage your stock, especially how to control your inventory so that you always have what you want to deliver to your customer. Inventory management and supply chain management is basically buying from suppliers and selling to customer, and we need to know if we have enough goods to deliver to our customer. To do that, you need to keep track of your inventory, know exactly what you have, and most of the time, counting the missing items is rather complicated and it's usually very boring. So we provide with Smart Inventory Manager very simple tools that will help you to manage your order to your suppliers automatically. How does it work? You know that you have currently four pieces into your inventory. You know you need to have six, so we define a minimum and a maximum. And then you know you have to order two of them. How do we do that? I will show you now. So let's now look at what Smart Inventory Manager can do for you. We have the inventory tab. We have the inventory tab with the list of all the items we are managing. You can see there's a quantity which tells me how many I have in my shelves. You have a minimum, which is the threshold level from which I have to order or I have to worry about at least. And here is the maximum column, which tells me how much I can store. That means how much I can have or I should buy. You have an alarm button on the right, which tells me everything which is not correct, especially this product has a minimum of five and the quantity is two, and those as well have minimum of five, and all this is missing. You can see also that here I have a maximum of five and I have 12 pieces into my inventory. That means I have seven more. This is a waste of money. So I want to clean up my inventory, make it perfect. I have to worry about all the quantities under the threshold and update them to the maximum. So I go to my order tab. My order tab gives me a list of all the orders I'm preparing that are ready to be sent or already sent to the supplier. I can do build manually an order just selecting the manufacturer, selecting the category, then the product from my list. I have the current price, but I can change the price if I don't like it. And I add this to my list. I can make another one. I can also change the price and add to my list. And then I can save that and print it. You can see here that I have all the information and I can reopen my order and I can send it so that I cannot be able to modify it anymore. You can see the status has changed and I can receive it. How do I receive my order? I have to click on it and I have in yellow all the products which are not yet fulfilled, completed. I have a button to say that I've received all, but imagine I have asked for four pieces here. I only received two. I can put two into here. Make the move into stock because when I receive an order, that will go to the stock, to the inventory, and I save it. So you can see that this one is not totally completed. Next time I receive, I can complete everything, do the movement to the stock and save. And then if my order is completed, I can remove it. I change the status going here and I remove it saying it's balanced. It will now disappear from the list. Okay. Now let us use the assistant, the wizard. With the wizard, I go to the new. I select all the manufacturers and I click on the wizard button. I say I want only the products which are in alarm, which are under the minimum threshold. If I click on there, I will see that everything is filled because I just filled my stock minutes before. So I stop this. I will show you now how to use the wizard to make all the calculations. So I ask for a new order. I want to make orders for all my suppliers. I select all on this side. I check that I want only products which are under the threshold of alarms. I click on the wizard button and I get the list of the 5 products I need to order. I can of course change the prices and the quantities, but my list is ready. I can save it and I get it here, the list of my orders. I can also use the wizard a different way. Instead of uh, ordering the products which are really missing, I can order all the products which are not at the highest quantities. I mean, I have defined a maximum quantity I can store. I want to use it, so I remove this only alarms key and I select all the suppliers. You know that in this case, I have more products than with the only alarms checked. There's many way of managing your orders and your stock levels, and we can easily adapt Smart Inventory Manager to your requirements regarding the pending orders, regarding the pending delivery to the customers. You can make a really accurate planning of your supply chain using this order management system. Thank you very much for your attention. Don't hesitate to call us for more information and to explain your own needs. Thank you very much.